In front of me is Xiaomi 17 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wanna use in this view and launching it in the background like that. Now hold it and wait for those options to show. When they do, tap on two rectangles below a padlock. Then you can either click on any other background app or choose Home button and tap on any other one. As you can see, after a few seconds I can use my apps in pop-up view. If you wanna go back from it, you can go back into the background and swipe split screen like you would any other app. You can also hold this line in the middle, firstly to resize your apps if you wish, but also because when you drag it all the way up or all the way down, you can close split screen and tap on Home button to close the remaining app. Last but not least, what most people miss is that every app has those three dots at the top. When you click on them, you will see all of those options. The X one to close chosen app, this one which will change chosen app into pop-up window. Then you can tap on those three dots at the top of pop-up window and select split screen to go back to it. And this one, which is full screen view. You can also switch places of your apps by clicking on one of those options while in split screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!